Hello friends, welcome to Fitbot AI learning channel. Today I will show you how to create an animation video from scratch. And the best part is that you can do it free. Let's get started. I know a fantastic tool called Gravityrite that will help us to complete this task. To create a script from the Gravityrite, first of all, we have to create an account in it. We will write here gravityrite.com. Enter. I will click on Start Writing for free. Here you have to provide your details. Click on Create Account. Your email is not verified. Click the verification link in the email to log in. So I will go to Gmail. I will verify the email by clicking on Click here to verify. Job is done. I will reach at this dashboard. It means that we have created our account. Now the next step is to generate the script. If you want to create a video for YouTube, then click on YT Script Creator. This is point 3. Click on it and you will reach here. Enter your video title and the points you want to cover. I will write what is marketing and its functions. So language, click here and you will find lot of languages here. Click on create content. So it will start writing my script. You can see here it is working and it is giving me the headings, capturing value, delivering value, outro. That's it. So it has created the script. The function of marketing, understanding how it works. Now we will go to second step and we will create animated video from this script. To create animated video, we will use another tool and which is Steveai. To use Steveai, we have to create an account. Here you can see sign up for free. Click here. You can sign up with Google. This is Steveai's dashboard. Here you can see different options like text to video, text to animation, blog to video, blog to animation, audio to video, tweet to video. So a lot of things are there. But our today's video is about text to animation. I will click on text to animation. We will reach at this page. Now we have to paste the script what we have created in Gravityrite. Go back to Gravityrite, copy the intro, Ctrl C and paste here. It will convert into scenes. Now we have to copy all the text. Go back to Steveai and paste here. So all the text has been shifted here. There are total 20 scenes. Next step is to mention what type of video is this. So I will write here explainer video. Then click next and here we have to select the design for your video. Like this one or this one. Anyone you can select. For example, I will go for this one. It has started converting my text into animation. So my text has been converted into animation text. If I will click on play, you can see that all the text has been converted into animation. That is very nice. You would like to do some change. And you can edit each scene individually. That is very nice. So in the first step, let me change the background. Click here. You will find different backgrounds. I would like to have this one. Click on this background and background will be changed. You can also change layout. Click here and you will find different options and you can change the layout. For example, I will go for this. Furthermore, if you want to change the character with some other character, then click on the character. When you will click on character, you will find different options like change action, change character, change color. I will go for change character. You will find here lots of characters. and you can select as you like. So there are certain characters for which you have to upgrade, and there are many characters you can use freely. For example, I will go for this one. Now the character has been changed. Now we would like to change the actions. Click on the character, change actions, and here you can select any one of them. There are a lot of characters and it all depends on your choice. For example, I can go for this one. Play. It's working. You can also change the position of the character like this. Okay. Up to this level, we have learned how to change the character and the layout. Now we would like to add voiceover in the animation. For voiceover, I will click voiceover. There are two types. One is AI voiceover, artificial intelligence based voiceover, or record voiceover. You can record your voice or you can upload. I will click here. You can select language, gender, voice, and even if you will click here, you can listen the sample. Click here to listen the voice. This is okay. AI voiceover has been applied to your video. Next step is to add music to your video. Go to add music. You will find different options here. So you have to click on the music, what you like, select. Music has been added in your video. Click on play. Music has been added. We have done changing or editing in the first slide. So there is a second slide. If it is okay, then proceed with it. And if you want to do some change, do it. But you have to review all the slides before final publishing. So to download the video, click on publish. Our video is not ready yet. I will click on download. And it will start rendering my video. It will take little time, but you will get your product. So here is the final product. You can download this video easily, but it may take more time because you are using free version. Let me play this video for you.
What is marketing? Market science of creating, capturing to satisfy the needs of wants of...
The finished product is okay. You can edit more items. You can work on the script. You can improve the background or you can change the character. I hope you have learned good points. Keep watching. Best of luck.